Start by sauteing your onions in a half a stick of butter. Then peel and chop 5 cloves of garlic. Rinse your organs and add the bacon to the onions. Last, add the garlic and saute until brown. Then add the organs. These are chicken livers and chicken hearts. Simmer until brown. Then you're going to add another half a stick of butter and let that melt. Then add half a cup of red wine and simmer for another 10 minutes. Add everything to your blender and blend until smooth. Then add it to a lined loaf pan. Let it chill overnight and voila, delicious pate.